y'all gonna see me in 2 videos with the same outfit on. My son is there, and man, speak again. I like my son to speak in the videos. Y'all know he don't talk much. Anyway, y'all, so let me tell y'all what happened to me. Friday evening, and I'm sorry, y'all, my camera is out. Not my phone camera. So we fed yesterday. I didn't get a chance to show y'all our plate or anything, but I like doing that. But we had we had smoked chicken, dirty rice, baked beans, and I baked 2 yellow cakes, a white cake, a fudge marble cake, and a pan of brownies. And so anyway, y'all, but Friday night when I came home, I had to go do some shopping after work. Where I went during my lunch break, and then after work I had to go back. My son with me. Went to take the stuff to church. Couldn't take the stuff to church because they had another event. And I just think it's disrespectful to be walking in there backwards and forwards doing about somebody else's event. So I didn't do that. So I went home and I started baking. So the medicine I take at night make me sleepy. So I didn't want to take my medicine, get sleepy, and burn the cakes up. So when I took my last cake out, when I put my last cake in, I went and took my bath. And when I got through, I took my meds and I laid down. But I had my water in my water thing, and so I guess I didn't drink enough water for my pills to go down. So when I woke up, this was after 12, but when I took it, so when I woke up, I felt nauseous. You know, some medicine you can't take on an empty stomach. So when I woke up, I had this horrible feeling. And I started feeling like I was nauseous. I needed to eat something, so I went and got some strawberries that I had washed. So I tried to eat a strawberry, and I tried to drink some water. Well, that didn't help. That came back up. So then I went and got a bottle of water, because they said if you bottleneck, I mean just drink the water continuously, it'll flush the pill down. Well, I tried to do that. That came back up. So I said, oh Lord. And I just felt really, really bad. Then I got scared because I was, you know, they said sometimes women that have like an acid reflux or whatever, it's almost like same symptoms of a person having a heart attack. So I got scared. So I said, ooh, Lord, please help me. And Lord, when I tell y'all, after I said that, I just felt that pill go on down. So I'll remind everybody, if you're going to make sure you take your pill and drink your lot of water before you lay down. And don't take it on an empty stomach. If it says, just follow what it says, because man, I'm telling y'all, I thought that was gonna be my last night on earth. I felt horrible. I just felt like it wasn't gonna go down. All right, y'all, that's all I wanted to tell y'all. All right, talk to y'all later. Bye.
I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love, I feel the love. I hope it's never gone.